Hello friends, myself CA Vijay Mittal. I welcome to all of you at Professional Gyan Kendra. Friends, today we will discuss about ITC 01. When to file ITC 01 and within what time we should file ITC 01 and how many times we can file ITC 01 and what will happen when we file successfully ITC 01. If a registered person wants to claim the credit of input tax that is held in stock, in that case, he is required to give a declaration by filing GST ITC 01 as per section 18 subsection 1. As per section 18 subsection 1, there are 4 clauses which define the situations or circumstances where there is a need to file ITC 01 for the purpose to get the credit of input tax that is held in stock. Section 18 subsection 1 clause A. As per section 18 1A, if a person who applies for the registration within 30 days from the date when he becomes liable to get registered and that registration get granted, in that case he becomes entitled to claim the credit of input tax that is held on stock. A stock can be raw material, semi-finished goods or finished goods. Friends, the thing that should be considered here, that input held in capital goods will not be considered here. Only input held in raw materials, semi-finished goods and finished goods will be considered here. On the day immediately preceding the date when he becomes liable to pay tax, जिस डेट को वो टैक्स पे करने के लिए लाइएबल हो जाता है, immediately preceding from that date the input held in stock will be considered and he can claim for the credit of that input that is held in stock as on that date. As per 18(1)(b, as per section 18(1)(b, if a person who gets registered under section 25 subsection 3 of the CGST Act 2017, means voluntarily registration, if a person gets voluntarily registration, in that case and that registration is granted, in that case also he becomes entitled to claim the credit of input tax that is held in stock. And stock can be raw material, semi-finished goods and finished goods. On the day immediately preceding the day of grant of registration, जिस डेट को उसको रजिस्ट्रेशन ग्रांट हो जाता है, immediately preceding that date the input held in stock will be considered, means he can claim the credit of tax that is held in that stock on the day immediately preceding the date of grant of registration. Now we will discuss as per section 18(1)(c. As per section 18(1)(c), if a person who is currently paying tax under composition scheme, means under section 10 of the CGST Act 2017, and wants to pay tax under section 9, if a person ceases to pay tax under section 10, in that case he also entitled to claim the credit of input tax that is held in stock. A stock can be raw materials, semi-finished goods and finished goods, and also on capital goods. Friends, I am repeating the word also on capital goods. The input held in capital goods will also be considered here for the purpose to get the credit of input tax that is held in stock. On the day immediately preceding the date when he becomes liable to pay tax under section 9 of the CGST Act 2017, means as a normal dealer. Friends, now we will discuss as per section 18(1)(d. As per section 18(1)(d), if a supply which is exempt supply and now becomes taxable supply, in that case a registered person entitled to claim the credit of the input tax that is held in stock, and stock can be raw material, semi-finished goods, finished goods, and own capital goods. On the day immediately preceding the date when that supply becomes taxable supply, मीन्स जिस डेट को टैक्सेबल सप्लाई बनती है, एग्जम्प्ट सप्लाई, इमीडिएटली प्रीसीडिंग दैट डेट input held in stock will be considered for the purpose to claim the credit of input tax. Friends, now the point is within which time we should file ITC 01. Friends, a person that is entitled to claim the credit of input tax that is held in stock can file ITC 01 within 30 days from the date he becomes entitled to avail the input tax credit ITC, or such extended period as decided by the commissioner. Means commissioner has the power to extend the period of 30 days. Friends, now we will discuss how many times he can file ITC 01 for the purpose to claim the credit of input tax that is held in stock. As per section 18(1)(a) and 18(1)(b), he can claim the credit of input tax that is held in stock only once. Means during the whole business period, he can file ITC 01 only once. And as per section 18(1)(c), he can file ITC 01 once in a financial year, एक साल में एक बार. And as per section 18(1)(d), he can file ITC 01 for the purpose to claim the credit of input tax that is held in stock once in a month, महीने में एक बार. Friends, अब बात करते हैं what will happen when ITC 01 is filed successfully. When ITC 01 is filed successfully, in that case, the input that is claimed, the credit of input tax that is claimed in ITC 01 will be reflected in the electronic credit ledger of the taxpayer, and ARN will be generated and intimation will be given by the SMS and email to the registered taxpayer. With these words, friends, I would like to say thank you for watching the video, and I hope that it will be useful to all of you. नमस्कार, धन्यवाद.